It's no more a new story that Smart Layer project is about to airdrop with their early users with their token SLN token according to the points you have. So as you can see, I'm currently having 7,695 points. But before I continue anything on this video, I would like you guys to tell me how many points do you actually accumulate here. That is if you actually do the project. Because even though I hyped the project, I didn't hype it that much because there was no much updates every time for me to hype on it. So randomly once in a while I will just make a video about it. But I'm curious to know how many points did my downliners earn, since I managed to have close to 8,000 points. I would like to know how many points do my downliners, the people that actually join under me, because there are a lot of people that join under me. I think if I scroll down a bit, I think I will see people that join under me. I was around 42 people. So I would really like to know how many points did you guys get. Tell me in the comment section. So for those of you that didn't start early, I think you still have a little time to participate in the project. I don't really guarantee you to earn anything convenient in it because the project is almost done, but you can go ahead and try to join the project and complete any single task which was given to you, and the more tasks you complete, the more points you get. So but that is not the point of today. But if this is your first time coming to the channel, or maybe you have seen this kind of a thing, what you have to do is to subscribe to the channel for more updates like this, and then join my WhatsApp channel where I drop updates. Let me show you guys the channel. Yeah, this is the channel. The reason behind the creation of this channel is so that people that join new can also have access to old messages, old updates in the channel, and that is a very good thing. So what you have to do is to follow the link in the description of this video to join it, so that whenever I drop an update, you'll be one of the first people to get it, even before coming to YouTube. I'm doing it so that you people can get the update, and whenever I make my research, because this is my work, so I take my time to make research and get new projects and update that is going to help you make money online. And what you have to do is to join the channel and join the update on time. So it's your work, it's your decision. Join it or leave it. So that is it. Now there is one kind of last thing that we need to do, last quest that we need to complete in this particular place to actually qualify for the airdrop. So there is this thing that they says it's new. They says required for the airdrop. So it's still shown that the airdrop is real. So they say that we should migrate to past Smart Layer network. So they are going to ask us, because I've already verified my email. So what I have to do now, and if you migrate it, they're going to give you 300 points, remember. So what you have to do is to click on connect wallet, and it's going to ask you to connect your wallet. So I'm going to use wallet connect because that's what I've been using all this while, and then I'm going to select my trust wallet. That's what I've been using. Then it's going to ask me to connect my wallet to this Smart Layer, and it's going to be on Polygon network. So I'm going to click on connect, and then it directed me back to the site, the Smart Layer network site. So and they say that the mitigation is going to last for 48 hours due to the congestion. So what I have to do now, or what I advise you guys to do, is just to do it, connect your wallet, and then let's see how it's going to go. So I've done my own, and once it shows me my great pass, I'm going to receive 300 points for him. So that is it for now. Any other updates that remains, I'm going to update you guys either on YouTube channel or my Telegram channel, my WhatsApp channel. So what you have to do is to make sure you join the boat, and let's see how it gets. Kudos to you guys that actually took it serious, and let's see when the airdrop is going to be drop for us. Let's see how much we are actually going to make from it. So this is it. I hope you guys got value from it. Once again, my name still remains King, and this is ABK Crypto. See you guys on my next video, and remain profitable. Bye.